Hi, I'm Omid. In this video you learn how to add, rename, duplicate and delete a sheet in Google Sheets. If you want to add a new sheet in Google Sheets, you can click on the plus and you have a new sheet. For renew a sheet, right click and select rename, then type, or just double click and type what you want. Sometimes you need to duplicate a sheet. For doing that, right click on Sheet tab and select duplicate. It creates a sheet of this sheet. Finally, if you want to delete a sheet, right click on Sheet tab and select delete and click OK. It deleted a sheet. Now it's your turn. Try everything you watch in this video to learn them deeply. Please subscribe, and if you have any question or comment, leave them below. I try my best to answer them. Take care.